Okay, everyone, so this is video number 1. I know you're like, Tisha, why are you blow drying those flowers? It's because we're going to be doing a beautiful centerpiece using a corsage. Okay, I just want to just pump it up just a little bit. Now, all I did before was just blossom it out because I washed it, and it's not going to lose its shape at all. Now, this is a corsage. I will have all the information down below that I'm using. A lot of you all love the flowers that I use. So now I'm revealing in this video today of where I get my flowers from. Now what I did, I just cut the stem and I'm going to hot glue right there. But I did notice that I'm not in a good position. So let me turn it around. There we go, my friends. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to cut off everything that we do not need. There we go. Make sure you do not cut your flower at all, okay? So I am going to place another flower right here, and I am going to place the hot glue onto this faux flower right here, okay? That is what I am going to do and place it right there. Place a generous amount of it. Just don't place a dot, you all, okay? Place a generous amount like this, and then you're just going to place it where I was talking about before and hold it until it's dry. These are our brooches for today. These are so lovely, everyone. I don't think I used them in the video before. Let me know down below. I'm not sure. So you can use this as a corsage if you want to, but however, like I said before, we're going to be doing a centerpiece with it. I'm going to apply my brooch where you just see me. Let me just add some hot glue to it. There we go. And just place it right here, my friends. And it looks beautiful when you just use it for a basic corsage. I will have, there you go. I wanted to just show you a picture if you're using it for a basic corsage, okay? Just press it down and hold it until it's dry. Now we're coming in with some pearls. Just kind of spread. I used about 3 of them, so just place them on there. And I did add another brooch. Let me get this out the way. Y'all know I can't stand all that hot glue everywhere, so give me a moment, okay? So I did place another brooch right there, my friends. So I do want you to see that. I did that off of the camera, and I'm just going to place some more pearls on here. Not too many, just enough in order for it to stand out. This is the same technique I used with that picture I just showed you all. The same technique, everyone. So you can keep it as a corsage. Just make sure that you do not remove this from the back, okay? And it is totally affordable. This is the reason why we have to do a second video, everyone, okay? But let me show you what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to hot glue this on to the flowers, okay? Just like that, I'm going to hot glue it onto the other flower. Now at Michael's, let me explain myself. At Michael's, they had this for 50% off. Now I grabbed it, okay? But I didn't catch the vision until later. So what I did, I made 3 centerpieces out of the floral runner is what I did, okay? And I just add a brooch right there in that flower. So we're going to turn it over. At this point, I am totally freestyling. So what you see right now in this video right here, I have not done it before, okay? So we're doing it together. So I'm going to be telling you all how I'm doing it in slow motion, okay? So what I did was apply a stem to it, okay? And I'm going to position it the way I want to. I'm going to hold this wire right here, okay? Then with this wire, I'm going to tie a knot. Tie it really tight. I'm pulling it right now. I did tie it tight. I took my floral wire clippers, excuse me, and I'm twisting it on there. make sure you don't clip it everywhere. Don't hold it down too hard, because you can clip it, and I just twist it on there to even tighten it even harder. So right now I have the stem, and I'm going to slide it through. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do next. Here it is, the stem. I'm taking it around the floral wire. Now we have a peony flower in the front, okay? So we want to place one in the back, and all I'm doing is just applying a brooch to it, because I have a brooch on everything else, right? So we wanted to, you know, just have that beautiful flow all together. Now I did remove the stem. This is why. It's because sometimes the stems on some flowers are too thick to, you know, bend and stuff like that, okay? So I removed it, you see right here, where I'm able to bend it, because I need some flexibility with this design that I'm going to do. Now we're going to leave that in an actual L shape, okay? So that's this right here, right there. I need it to stay like in an L shape, and I'm going to take it through the zip tie, because I need it to be really tight due to transporting, okay? I need this to be really tight, so that's why I'm going to push it through the black zip tie, okay? We'll talk about this later, okay? Now I did add some extra wire to it just to make sure it's secure, so I'm just going to be clipping some of it off. And right here in this section, I do have some floral wire that I did, you know, place on there. And I'm just going to place my rose, the one that you see me doing in the first part of the video. I just tied it onto there. I did not use any hot glue at all. Now in the next video, we're going to talk about some things that I did to this actual design to make it affordable for you all. But until then, Lord willing, I will see you in the next one. Blessings, my friends.